Step-by-step process to clean your CRM the Marie Kondo way. Your CRM is holding on to things it no longer needs. Old leads, dead numbers, half-filled records, notes that made sense 2 years ago. It's time to tidy up. Here's how to clean up your CRM. Step 1. Gather everything. Open your CRM and look at it as a whole. Leads, contacts, deals, custom fields, tags. No hiding, no filters. Mess is easier to fix when you actually see it. Step 2. Ask one simple question. Does this record still help the business? If a contact has a disconnected phone number, no consent history, no activity in years, missing basics like state or time zone, it's not helping. Thank it. Let it go. Step 3. Keep what brings value. Not every record needs to be deleted. Some just need care. Keep contacts that have verified phone numbers or emails, show recent activity, are tied to real revenue or real conversations, then clean them properly. Fix formatting, fill out the missing fields, validate phone numbers, confirm ownership and consent. Remember, clean data works harder than big data. Step 4. Organize with purpose. A tidy CRM has a place for everything. That means clear lead stages with no overlap. One definition for qualified, consistent tags and statuses. Notes that explain context in one glance. If a field causes confusion, it does not belong. Step 5. Set rules so the mess doesn't return. Cleaning once is not enough. Add habits. Validate new phone numbers before outreach. Flag inactive records automatically. Review old leads monthly. Stop allowing free text chaos in key fields. A clean CRM stays clean because rules support it. The result? Faster dialing, fewer wrong numbers, clear reporting, less risk, more trust in your data. Your CRM should feel calm when you open it. If it doesn't, it's time to tidy up. So, that's it, folks. This is your sign to clean data. Clear systems to have better decisions this year. So, if you're serious about making your CRM work for you, register for Searchbug's API test account today to get $10 credits to start testing our phone validation for free. Check the description below for the registration link.